Samoan businesses from around New Zealand, the Pacific and Australia were honoured at the Samoa Business Network Awards last weekend. Held at the Novotel Airport Hotel in Auckland, it was attended by awards recipients as well as by dignitaries from Samoa. SBN has been going for 5 years, but it's the first time they've hosted an International Business Awards.
It's just about celebrating being Samoan and being entrepreneurs, being successful business people, wherever you are in the world.
For us in Samoa, as governments, it's encouraging for us to see that there's initiatives like these that promotes businesses from Samoa and empowers and foster the development of these businesses to help Samoa's economy, whether they're based in Samoa or New Zealand. It doesn't matter.
10 awards were celebrated on the night, including the award for Young Entrepreneur of the Year. That went to Australia-based shoe designer Kasavi Alui.
It's really exciting and really humbling experience to be acknowledged, by our own community and just everyone in New Zealand, really, because it's become such a big event.
But the big winner on the night was Samoan-based business SSAB Samoa Stationery and Books, which walked away with 3 awards, including the People's Choice Award.